Hey guys, Parapuliex here, and today I've decided that I am going to start gaming on this channel. I don't know, I just felt like it. So I was browsing around the internet earlier, and then I found a game called Sarah's Cooking Class, Valentine Pizza. And Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I like pizza. So let's begin. Play. Chop black olives. Oh, isn't that bad? Oh, I keep missing though. Well, I guess you just have to click it. You don't have to drag it. Follow the instruction. This is like a kiddie game, so it can't be that hard. But then knowing me, I'm probably gonna fail, and then it'd be very sad. I don't like green peppers very much. I don't mind it, but it's not my most favorite. I don't know why. I just don't really like it. Just chopping up my vegetables. Sliced pepperoni. That does not look like pepperoni. That looks like ham. Or something else. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh. 500 plus 560 equals 10,060. That's a lot. Ooh. 5 stars for me. Prepare pizza sauce. On. H. Lid. Oil. If only cooking was like this in real life, everything would be easier. Italian tomato puree. Sugar. Ooh, I see. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Hot paprika. Just gonna continue on. Ooh, I like that spoon. I bet I can do some DIY with it and color the handlebar or something. Cook for a few minutes. Look at that bubble away. And then you add the onion. Stir with your spoon. Watch it go. Cook until onions are soft. Okay. I think that you can prepare this in real life, because in the front of the game it did say recipe, so maybe I can do this in real life. Maybe. Black pepper coarse. Have you guys ever tried white pepper before? I haven't, but it's quite cool. All the different varieties of food. Ooh, so fast. Now you never have to wait for your food to cook. Garlic? Yeah, that's garlic. And cheese. Cheese. And you blend it with your spoon. And away the blends magically off. And then you puree it for a nice and smooth pizza sauce. That doesn't look quite bad. Ooh. 5 stars for me. Prepare pizza dough. Warm water. Dry yeast. Oops. Mix it. Let sit until foamy. 5 minutes. What's this? Oh, it's flour. And salt. Rosemary. I've never tried rosemary before, but I mean, it's a pretty name, so I'm assuming that tastes really good. Ooh, swirly. Oh, we get to draw. Yeah, drawing is not my forte. Back in grade 7 in elementary school, I had a teacher, and then every single week we would have a new assignment. Let's sit 1 hour until dough is okay. Yeah, and then we have an art assignment every single week, and then, it's not my forte, so yeah. So I kind of struggle there, and then once it would be done, and I'd be very sad. Yeah. But I mean, I still have the art. Like, maybe I can do some in the video. Would you like to see that? Ooh, that's a big heart-shaped cookie cutter. Well, pizza cutter. I want that. It's cool. Brush with olive oil. Pizza sauce. Wow. Only one stir and everything is all good. Okay, let's go with the cheese. And once again, magically. That's cool. Baked pizza. 450 on. Oh. Off. Scrape it off. Ooh, it's on a cute little heart-shaped plate too. Ooh, 5 stars for me. Your Valentine pizza's ready. Ooh, you like them on Facebook? 5 stars. Well, thank you guys for watching my very first gaming video. Like, comment, subscribe, and, tell me if you like these videos, because I might continue. Goodbye!